Hi children, what are you doing? Are you sitting in the online class? Yes, very good. Don't roaming here and there. All of you sit one place and listen. Okay, Vama? All of you listen. Don't roaming here and there. Listen, okay? Did you complete your study homework? Is that no? Chatate kano? Is that no? Yes, very good. If you are completed means you are very good children. You didn't complete means very bad children. You think and do you are good children or bad children. Okay. Okay, let's get back to our maths class. Nice to meet you once again through this online class. I'm happy for about it. Children, in the last class we have studied perimeter. Yes, perimeter means சுற்றளவு. In the previous classes we have studied radius, diameter and perimeter 2D shapes. Is that no ma? Yes, okay. Open your mouth and say the 2D shapes. Open your mouth and say 2D shapes. The first one is square. S-Q-U-A-R-E square. Okay, S-Q-U-A-R-E square. Square means saduram. Then rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E rectangle. Rectangle means sevaham. Then triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E triangle. Triangle means mukkonam. Then circle. C-I-R-C-L-E circle. Circle means vattam. Okay, Vama? Circle means vattam. Say the formula for diameter. Say the formula for diameter. Diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Okay. Diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Then say the formula for radius. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Okay, Vama? Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Okay, very good. Now, listen. In the previous class, we have studied radius, diameter, perimeter and 2D shape. In this class, we are going to learn about 3D shapes, 3-dimensional shapes. Okay, Mama? All of you listen. In this class, we have to learn about 3-dimensional shapes. So, all of you listen carefully. This is 9th one heading. The 9th one heading is 3-dimensional shape. T-H-R-E-E 3 D-I-M-E-N-S-I-O-N-A-L dimensional shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S shapes. 3-dimensional shapes. 3-dimensional shapes short form is 3D shapes. Okay, Mama? 3-dimensional shapes short form is 3D shapes. Okay. See the first one. 3-dimensional shape. The first one is cube. The first one is cube. First draw a square. Okay. First we have to draw a square. Then you draw this line and match this line. This line also you have to match, and these two lines also you have to match. Then these two lines also you have to match. What is this? What is this shape? This is cube shape. Okay, Mama. What is this shape? What is this shape? This is cube shape. C-U-B-E, cube. Cube means Gana Saduram. Gana Saduram. Gana Saduram. Okay, Mama. Three-dimensional shape. C-U-B-E, cube. Cube means Gana Saduram. Okay. Ganasaduram. Now listen. Three-dimensional shape. It has 6 faces. It has 6 faces. Okay, Mama. Face means this whole outside. Okay, this outside figure is called a faces. This outside figures is called a faces. Okay, Mama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is called faces. A cube has 6 faces and 8 vertices. Okay. Now listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces and 8 vertices. Okay. Vertices means these lines. If the two corners are joining, that is called vertex. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, 8 vertices and 12 edges. See here, 1, 2. Edge means the corner. Okay, Mama, mudira place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 12 edges. Okay, this is faces and these lines are vertices and rendu pulli joined agra place, that is edge. Okay, Mama, do you understand? This is faces. These outside figures are called faces. Then this is vertices and these corners are called edges. Okay, listen. Some properties are cube has 6 plane faces. Okay, Mama. Cube has some properties. The property number 1 is, some properties are there. Listen. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. All of its faces are equal in size and each vertex 3 edges meet. Okay, this is cube. Okay, shall we see some properties? The property number 1 is, property number 1. A cube, C-U-B-E, cube, H-A-S has 6 F-A-C-E-S faces. A cube has 6 faces. The second property, a cube, C-U-B-E, cube, H-A-S has 8 vertices, V-E-R-T-I-C-E-S, vertices, A-N-D, and 12 E-D-G-E-S, edges. A cube has 8 vertices and 12 edges. And the third property is, all, A-double-L, all, T-H-E-D, S-I-X, 6, F-A-C-E-S, phases, A-R-E-R, E-Q-U-A-L, equal. The first property is a cube has 6 faces. Second, a cube has 8 vertices and 12 edges. A cube has 8 vertices and 12 edges. All the 6 faces are equal. All the sides are equal in cube. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Very good. Now all of you open your max note and write this one. All of you open your max note, take new page and write. This is today's class work, CW class work. This is today's class work. All of you write neatly, okay, Mama? Say and write THREE3 DIMENSIONAL, dimensional. Shapes, SHAPES, shapes. 3-dimensional shapes. The short form is 3D shapes. First one is cube. First draw a square. Okay, Mama? Square draw paniko. Then draw this line and this line. Here one line and there one line. Okay. Then match this line and this line. Then matched this two line. This is very easy. Okay. First draw a square. Use your scale to draw a square. Okay. Use your scale to draw a square. Then here one line, there one line, here and here. Okay. Then match this two line and this two line. Okay, Mama? Then this two line and this two line. This is square. Use your scale to draw. Don't use your hand to draw. Okay? கையை வச்சு உன் பாட்டுக்கு வரைஞ்சி வச்சிடாத. ஸ்கேலை வச்சு நீட்டாக அழகாக ப்ராப்பராக ட்ரா பண்ணு. Okay? Do you understand? Okay. Cube. C-U-B-E, cube. Cube means Ganasaduram. Ganasadurayim. Ganasaduram. Property number 1, a cube, C-U-B-E, cube, H-A-S has 6 faces, F-A-C-E-S, faces. A cube has 6 faces. Second property, a cube, C-U-B-E, cube, H-A-S has 8 vertices, V-E-R-T-I-C-E-S, vertices, A-N-D and 12 EDGES, edges. A cube has 8 vertices and 12 edges. A-double-L, all, T-H-E-D, S-I-X, 6, F-A-C-E-S, faces, A-R-E-R, E-Q-U-A-L, equal. All the 6 faces are equal. All of you have written. Shall we see the next one? Very good. Listen. Close your note. Next one. Cuboid. Next we have to study the cuboid. Draw this line here on line and join these two lines. Okay, Mama. Then draw this line here and here. Okay, first join these two lines. You join this two lines. Okay, then here also you have to join this two lines. Okay, Mama. Then match this two line. Next join this two line. Okay, Mama. Then join this two line. This is called cuboid. Okay, what is this? What is the shape? The shape is called cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Cuboid means Ganachevaham. Ganachevaham. Cuboid. Cuboid means Ganachevaham. Okay, Mama. Cuboid means Ganachevaham. Then see the property. The first property is cube and cuboid has same properties. Okay, Mama. A cuboid has 6 plane surfaces. A cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid, H-A-S has 6 P-L-A-N-E, plane surfaces. S-U-R-F-A-C-E-S, surfaces. A cuboid has 6 plane surfaces. Then see the second property. A cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid, H-A-S has 8 vertices. V-E-R-T-I-C-E-S, vertices, A-N-D, and 12 edges, E-D-G-E-S, edges. A cuboid has 6 plane surfaces. Then a cuboid has 8 vertices and 12 edges. Then the third one, the opposite faces are equal. ITS, it's opposite. O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E, opposite. Phases, F-A-C-E-S, phases, A-R-E-R, E-Q-U-A-L, equal. The opposite phases are equal. Okay, Mama? This is cuboid. What is the shape? This is cuboid shape. This is cuboid shape. Then this is called Ganachevaham. Okay, Mama? This one is called Ganachevaham. The first property, a cuboid has 6 plane surfaces. How many? 6. Okay, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This outside boxes. Okay, this is plane surfaces. How many plane surfaces? It has 6 plane surfaces. Then a cuboid has 8 vertices. Vertices means these lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, a cuboid has 8 vertices and 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. It has 12 edges. It has how many edges? 12 edges. Okay, Vama? Then the opposite faces are equal. Rectangle opposite sides are equal. At the same rule will come the cuboid. Okay, Vama? Cuboid that's the same rule da. The opposite faces are equal. Its opposite faces are equal. Okay, do you understand? Okay, open your note and write. All of you open your note and write. Say and write. Draw neatly. Use your scale to draw. Okay. Cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Cuboid means Gana Chevaham. A cuboid has 6 plane surfaces. A cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid has H-A-S has 6 plane P-L-A-N-E plane surfaces. S-U-R-F-A-C-E-S surfaces. A cuboid has 6 plane surfaces. Then a cuboid has 8 vertices. A cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid has 8 vertices. V-E-R-T-I-C-E-S, vertices. A-N-D and 12 edges. E-D-G-E-S, edges. Third one, its, I-T-S, its. O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E, opposite. Faces, F-A-C-E-S, faces. A-R-E-R-E-Q-U-A-L, equal. Its opposite faces are equal. All of you have it written? Very good. Now listen, close your note, listen. Close your note and listen. Okay, Vama? Next, we have to study the next shape. Okay. Then we have to draw a curved line. How to draw a curved line? Okay, Vama? This is called cone. What is the shape? This is cone shape. Okay, Vama? What is the shape? This is cone shape. C-O-N-E, cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Cone means kumbu. Cone means kumbu. Okay, Mama? What is this shape? This is cone shape. C-O-N-E, cone. This is cone shape. Cone means kumbu. Okay, a cone has one plane surface. This is plane surface. Okay, Mama? And this is curved surface. This is curved surface. Rendu code joint agara place. This is vertex. Okay? The two lines are joining in one place means that point is called a vertex. Okay, Mama? The line joined in the place in the vertex. Okay, this empty space, this is curved surface and this is plane surface. Okay, shall we see the property? Property number 1. A cone, C-O-N-E, cone, H-A-S has one plane surface, P-L-A-N-E, plane, S-U-R-F-A-C-E, surface. A cone has one plane surface. A cone has one plane surface, and the second property, it has one it HAS has one curved surface, CURVED, curved, SURFACE, surface, one curved surface. A cone has one plane surface. This is plane surface. Okay, Mama? How many plane surface? Only one plane surface. And this is curved surface. How many curved surface? It has one curved surface. It has one curved surface. Then a cone has one vertex and one circular edge. The third property is a cone, C-O-N-E, cone, H-A-S has one V-E-R-T-E-X, vertex, A-N-D and one C-I-R-C-U-L-A-R, circular edge, E-D-G-E, edge, E-D-G-E, edge. Okay, Mama? A cone has one plane surface. This is plane surface. It has one curved surface. Okay, this is curved surface. Then a cone has one vertex. This place is vertex and one circular edge. Okay, this edge will come here. Okay, one circular edge. It is called circular edge. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Very good. Open your note and write. All of you, open your note and write. Write neatly. Say and write. A cone has one plane surface. It has one curved surface. All of you have written. Then see the third one. The third property, a cone has one vertex and one circular edge. A cone has one vertex and one circular edge. All of you have written. Okay, close your note. See the next one. All of you listen. Next shape. Okay, Mama? The next shape is use your scale to draw a line. Then first you draw one curve. Okay, inside of the curve. Then close the curve. Then close the curve. Okay, Mama? This is cylinder. The shape is called cylinder. 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 Cylinder means urulai. Cylinder means urulai. Okay, Mama? CY. This is called cylinder. Okay, Mama? CYLINDER. Cylinder. Cylinder means urulai. Okay. See the first property. See the first property. A cylinder has two plane surfaces. A cylinder CYLINDER. Cylinder HAS has two plane plane SURFACES phases. A cylinder has two plane surfaces. A cylinder has two plane surfaces. This one plane surface and here one plane surface. How many plane surface? Idu oru plane surface, idu oru plane surface. How many plane surfaces? It has two plane surfaces. Then it HAS has one curved 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 SURFACE surface. It has one curved surface. Okay, Mama? Two plane surface and one curved surface. This empty space is called curved surface. A cylinder has no vertex. The third property is a cylinder has no vertex. A cylinder has no vertex. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? A cylinder has two plane surfaces. Okay, Mama? It has two plane surfaces and one curved surface and it has no vertex. Any two lines are joining here? No. So, a cylinder has no vertex. So, the cylinder has no vertex. So, the cylinder has no vertex. Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Yes, very good. Write, open your note and write. Open your note and write neatly. All of you have written. Shall we see the next one? Okay, listen. See the next one. The last shape is spur shape. Spur means column. Okay, Mama? Kola vadivam. Use any round things and draw a circle. This is spur. Okay, Mama? What is the shape? This is spur shape. Spur means S-P-H-E-R-E. Spur. Spur means column. Spur means column. S-P-H-E-R-E. Spur. Spur means column. Okay. So we see the properties. The first property is spur. S-P-H-E-R-E. Spur. H-A-S has O-N-L-Y. Only. One. C-U-R-V-E-D. Curved face. F-A-C-E. Face. A spur has only one curved face. This is curved face. Okay, Mama? Yes, spur has only one curved face. Second one. It has no vertex. It has H-A-S has no vertex. V-E-R-T-E-X. Vertex. It has no vertex. A spur has only one curved face. It has no vertex. Okay. Then see the third one. Any vertices here? ஏதாவது ரெண்டு line joined ஆகுதா? No. Okay. So it has no vertex. See the third one. A spur. S-P-H-E-R-E. A spur has H-A-S has N-O no E-D-G-E-H. A spur has only one curved face. It has no vertex. A spur has no edge. A spur has no edge. S-P-H-E-R-E. Spur means column. All of you open your note and write. A spur has only one curved face. A spur has only one curved face. ஒரே ஒரு curved face. It has no vertex and no edge. Okay. Say and write. Write neatly. Say and write. Write neatly. All of you have written? Very good. Take new page and write today's homework. All of you take new page and write today's homework. All of you take new page and write today's homework.  homework. Draw DRAW. Draw 2D AND and 3D shapes. SHAPES shapes. Draw 2D and 3D shapes. This is today's homework. No need to write the properties. You draw the shapes only. Okay mama? Properties கீழ இருக்கிற properties எதுவுமே write பண்ண வேண்டாம். You draw your shapes only. You should draw your shapes only. No need to write the properties. Okay? Do you understand? Very good. Next one we will see the next class. Okay? Take care children. Bye.